What I woke up to this morning. Big giant tree decided to split right down here at the base. And of course now it's laying across the driveway, which of course is the only way in or out of the house. So gonna spend first thing Sunday morning clearing this out so we can even leave. Thought everybody'd like to take a look at this. It just like pulled it right out of the ground. Made a big old hole. That wind kicked up and so this is gonna be a fun project this morning. All right, time to get to work. Got some of it cleared. Now we're just waiting for a bigger chainsaw to get here. No rain in the forecast. Supposed to be hot and sunny today, but of course we got a fallen tree, so now we have rain. All right, we got it all cut up, or at least as much cut up today as we're gonna cut it. But the driveway is clear. There's just tree everywhere. But another fun Sunday. Thought I'd share this with everybody.